to this later on. What exactly is going to be taking place tomorrow? The launch of the documentation center, what is it? How is it going to benefit the territory?
Thank you for that question as well. Great question. The launch of the documentation center will be taking place tomorrow, the 14th of July. The documentation center is one of our participation projects that we received funding for from Paris, which is our headquarters, and the BVI government. And essentially what it is, it's a mini library of UNESCO documents. Now, as both Secretary Generals mentioned, UNESCO has the platform of education, culture, and science. And basically those documents will highlight all of those topics and more. So it will be a place that teachers can come, students can come, interns can come and learn about what there is out there as it pertains to the platforms of UNESCO.
If there are no more questions, we'll just ask Mrs. Flex Archer to give some closing remarks as we come to the end of today's press conference.
Thank you, Mr. Hall. I am indeed pleased to have my two colleagues here, Mr. Maynard and Mr. Hannum. I'm thrilled when I heard of their visit to the BVI, well, their proposed visit. I jumped on it immediately and I started sending out thoughts and questions, and I think maybe through my excitement of them coming and wanting to learn more, they made BVI the first trip. So we're indeed happy to have them here, and I am so sure that by the time they're ready to leave, that the BVI will be well on its way to being strengthened. Thank you.
Let me take this time once again to remind the members of the audience of tomorrow's opening ceremony at the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Conference Room at 10 a.m. On behalf of the Ministry of Education and Culture and UNESCO, we thank you for joining us.
This broadcast was brought to you by the Department of Information and Public Relations and this station.